Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I'm just going to thank you all because we have crossed 10,000 subscribers, which is very great, and I'm very thankful to each and every one of you. So today I have got you this natural, simple, easy look that you can achieve with just 4 makeup products. I'll also be telling you some alternatives for those products. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you so much for all the support so far. Now, without any further delay, let's get into the video. So as I said, this is going to be a video with just 4 makeup products. So first one is going to be this Nykaa stick foundation. This is the Skin Genius stick foundation in shade 07 Toffee Chisel. So I have already made a review on this stick foundation, so if you're interested, you can check it out. And I'm going to be drawing some weird lines all over my face like this. You can also use a BB or a CC cream, but personally I don't like the finish of BB and CC cream on my face. It just leaves my skin kind of like gray looking after some time, so I prefer this. So here I'm just showing you how I blend this foundation with my fingers. You can either use a brush or a makeup sponge. So today I'm just showing you how I blend this with my fingers. Just be very gentle, and that's it. You will be on the safe side. So I'm also applying this little bit on my neck. Then the second product is going to be this Studio Fix powder foundation from MAC in shade NC45, and for this application I'm going to be using a powder brush. You can also use the sponge that actually comes along with this compact powder, but I prefer brushes, so you can just keep 1 or 2 brushes in your vanity while you're doing these kind of quick makeup. So I'm setting all my face except the high points of my cheek. I'm going to be showing you why I'm leaving this place bare for now. So after setting this, I'm going to be taking this Lakme 925 lip and cheek stain in the shade Plum Feather, and this smells amazing, you guys. So I'm just taking 2 tiny drops of this on my cheeks, and this is why I haven't applied powder before. So next I'm going to be applying the same lipstick on my lips. You can go with a light hand if you prefer a mild looking lipstick. So I'm going to be blending the the lip stain on my cheeks with my finger. This is going to give a natural subtle glow on your cheek, and with whatever is left on my fingers, I'm going to be putting this on my eyelids, and this is also going to add a tiny little pigment on my eyelids. So this blush kind of thing stays all day long. Now I'm setting this blush with my same compact powder, and this gives the most natural effect, and definitely this stays all day long. So next, it's eyebrow time, and I'm going to be using some eyebrow pencil. This one is spiked from MAC. You can use any eyebrow pencil, but make sure to use a dark brown or a brown eyebrow pencil if you have black hair. So with the same eyebrow pencil, I'm going to be drawing some kind of like small strokes of line on my upper and lower lash line, just to slightly intensify that area of my eyes, because I'm not going to be going any bold kind of kajal looks today. So that's it, guys. This is very simple. I hope you all like this video, and this is very efficient and time consuming too. It's kind of very easy. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next one. Bye. Please subscribe.